In my experience, sovereign situations are at their worst when the parent passes it on to a child. But this has to be one of the most egregious cases because not only is the sovereign nonsense passed to the child, but there's a vehicle pursuit.
I need driver license and insurance, please. I can't hear you. I need your window down. You're speeding.
I'm not.
You are. The speed limit's only 60. You're going 75.
So was everybody else.
Right. I can't pull everybody. I'm not going to license and insurance. I need your driver license and insurance, ma'am.
Just a few seconds into this stop, and I can tell you this lady has at least guaranteed herself a citation, which could have been a warning before. Not a good way to start.
Do what? Okay. You got an ID on you? Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle then. Do what? I can't hear you. I can't hear you, ma'am. Can you roll the window down? I do have my camera on. Can I have your driver license and insurance?
You don't have it on?
I do have it on. Can I have your driver's license? I'll call my supervisor. Can you come? Can I have your driver's license and insurance? Okay, I'll get one out here for you. I need your driver's license and insurance.
I'm going to run out of gas. My daughter's we were driving because she's hungry.
Okay, I get that, but the quicker I get your license and insurance, the quicker we can get out of here.
Okay.
The quicker I get your information, the quicker we can get out of here.
Okay, she's
Thank you. I'll be right back.
We got some sovereign stuff going on, the refusal of wanting to give the ID and a driver license, the window down situation. The other thing that a lot of people don't realize, and if you look here, you can see these cars whizzing by the officers, and we cant our cars off like that so that it's a bit of protection, but it's really not that much when you think about how fast these cars go. For me, passenger side approach in this situation, definitely the way to go.
Yes, ma'am. My supervisor, do you want me to call an ambulance for you? Would you like me to call an ambulance for you? Okay.
She's mentioning that I believe that the child or the daughter who's in the passenger seat's blood sugar is low and that she has to get her some food. And this is what the exchange is back and forth. And that's why the officer says, I'll call an ambulance if you need an ambulance.
Would you like my supervisor? He's still on the way. Okay. Would you like me to call an ambulance for you? 07 dispatch. My driver's taking off from me. We're going northbound. Getting on the turnpike. We're getting on the turnpike going eastbound. She ran from me. She said her daughter is having a medical episode. She just needs food, but she took off from me. I have her license and insurance.
How you turn a misdemeanor into an instant felony. Really bad choice.
We get you 14 to 07. What the speeds are in that?
We're just at 55 right now. Just going to get on the turnpike right now. She said she just needs to eat some food, but I asked her for if she didn't have some, she refused.
You see, it's interesting that the red pickup truck on the left passed the police car in a pursuit, so her speed's not excessive.
Speeds are still 55 miles an hour. We're taking the eastern exit right now.
We get you 14 on that, just managing. Headquarters on address in our city, Redmond. Good pal.
She's stopping at red lights and using her turn signal. There's a reason why she does this.
We're going northbound eastern. She's following all traffic laws. We're going about 55 miles an hour still. She stopped at the red light at Eastern Memorial. No, she stopped for the red light and then it turned green and she kept going forward. Now we're going northbound on Eastern, passing both ways.
Now, her kid is in the car. I can only imagine what the conversation is when you go in this several-mile pursuit with the lights and siren of a police car behind you. What does this put into this child's mind? We just passed the Sonic. There's food there. I see a McDonald's. I see a convenience store. Still going.
Eastbound Bryant pulling into the gas station.
While you're following me around, you put your hands on me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, ma'am.
Stop!
Ma'am, get out of the car.
What did you do?
Get out of the car.
Stop it!
Get out of the car.
Stop it!
Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car.
Get the away from us! Get the away from us!
Car.
I told you my daughter's having an emergency.
I understand that. I told you I'd request EMSA.
No,
You
we're
cannot
not
run
on
from the
IMSA.
traffic stop.
I don't have to contract with you.
Stop!
I'm not contracting with you.
Please just stop!
I'm not contracting with you.
Get out of the car.
Call 911.
Get out of the car.
Call 911. call.
She's resisting. She's not getting out of the car. Come out of the car.
I need you to send one of your supervisor officers to the E-Express at Memorial and Bryant. Your officer is
Trying to get out of the
break
car.
my
She's not
elbow,
getting out, and her passenger daughter is trying to help
and my
her son
daughter
from
is
getting her arm
trying to
held
get her
right now.
something to eat. I'm not going to get out of this. I'm not contracting with you.
You can hear the dispatcher in the background on the speaker. I've had these before where people call dispatch on the police because they have this disconnect with reality. It's incredibly sad to hear this kid scream and witness this whole thing.
I want you to take my credit card in and go get you something to eat. Go. Because I'm not leaving. I want you. Stop. I need you to come to Memorial and Bryant. You have an Oklahoma City police officer that is trying to break my arm. And my daughter is ill. And I'm trying to get her something to eat. He is literally breaking my arm. He has my license, my insurance, and he's trying to break my arm. He's trying to pull me out of my own vehicle. And I want him to, I don't have to. I want you to let go. Let go of me, man.
Ma'am?
Let go of me. Go in and get you some food. Go in and get you some food.
Ma'am, you need to step out of the car.
Go in and get food. My daughter needs food.
I'm not trying to hurt her.
Go in and get your food. I'm not getting out. I don't have to.
I gotta critique the officer at this point. It is much more humane to use enough force to get her out of the car and put her in handcuffs to stop the nonsense. We're prolonging this and letting the child see this. Tell the girl, I'm not gonna hurt your mom, but she's gotta go into custody. And then utilize the tactics that you have to take her out of the car and put her in handcuffs. If you can't do that, you've gotta train better. This is not to say this guy is not a good cop, but this is not a good situation.
Girl, go in and get you something to eat. Go. Go get you something to eat. That's why we came all the way here, because I'm out of gas and she needs food. Please let go. Please. Please let go of me.
No, ma'am.
My daughter is ill. And
You're not helping with that.
I am helping. I'm trying to get her food. And I was driving the same speed limit as everyone else.
I explained it to you.
You took my license and you were...
You'd be good to go.
I'm not doing that.
I was going to write a quick citation. You were going to be good to go.
Dude, my daughter's...
And I understand that, and I offered to call IMSA for you.
I don't want IMSA. We don't contract with IMSA.
Let's say there's an unsecured firearm inside this. Officers, both hands, support and dominant hand are on her left arm. She can easily engage him with the firearm. This is not good tactics.
We don't contract with IMSA. I don't have money for IMSA.
It was just to check on her to make sure she was okay.
I have been doing this since she was 5. I would like you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to let go of your arm, man.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll just remain here because I'm not getting out of my car and you're not jerking me out. So you can go write your citation and I'm going to get my daughter some food.
We're past that now, so you decided to run.
I didn't run, man. I don't contract with you. I gave you what you asked for and I asked you to come on because I have to get her food. My daughter's... I wasn't speeding.
What's up, man? Oh, you know.
You know, trying to get people that we actually traffic with. You're a trafficker, and you've got me here breaking my arm. Because you probably traffic all the dope in here, don't you?
If you listen to the background, you hear officers rolling code to the scene. Yet the officer's having this kind of jovial, fun conversation with a third party while he's doing this. Are we in a really high threat, serious situation, or are we playing around here? I'm not liking this.
Please let go.
No, ma'am. I'm not letting go. You're going to get out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out.
You're getting out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Please.
I'm Lieutenant Goodman. Listen.
I'm not.
Listen to me.
I'm not. She was sick.
Your daughter. Relax.
She was sick and we were... I'm not leaving this car.
You're going to get tased.
I'm not
if you
leaving.
Don't step out.
Okay, then tase me. I'm not leaving my car. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Okay, my arm. Please stop. You broke my left arm.
Stand up.
You broke my left arm.
Pretty clear as that.
Leave me alone.
We're going to go back.
I didn't do anything. I'm not going. I didn't contract with you guys. I didn't do anything.
I got torqued pretty hard. So
Stop. Please stop.
no, that's fine.
Just stop. You guys all traffic dope in here. And you're sitting here doing this to women and children.
Ma'am, I'm Lieutenant Goodman. I'm the supervisor you asked for to come to the scene.
I know. He
listen to
was
me for a
laughing
second?
at me, and I needed to leave.
Calm down, listen, okay? Let me know, okay? He did his job, okay? She was not in medical distress. We could have sent an ambulance where you were if you needed one.
I want you to leave me alone, please. I didn't
That's not an
contract with
option.
you guys.
Okay? I don't even know what you mean by contract. You were violating some type of a traffic law that got you
I
stopped.
wasn't.
He realized that there was not a medical emergency there. He said he was going to write your ticket and let you get on with your
He
business.
didn't, though. None of that's true.
He didn't
None of
stop
that.
you?
He did stop me.
Okay?
He did.
I'll tell you why.
He wouldn't. And then he said I was speeding, but I was going the
So
same.
that's what you're
But I was going the same speed as everyone.
Okay, he
I
told
wasn't
you-
speeding.
He
Okay.
told you why he stopped you.
He did.
He told you to write your ticket.
But I wasn't going to give him my license because I wasn't contracting with you
I don't
guys.
even know what that means. What do you mean by contract?
I'm not doing business here. So I told him, I gave him my license.
You know, are you just not service out?
I am. I'm not a
for our country.
I believe in the laws of your country, okay? And I
You don't
told him,
believe that you're accountable when you're speeding.
I am, but I wasn't speeding. I was going up the
So,
same thing as everyone else around me.
If you disagree with the charge, you're probably way to do that is go to court. I'm not sure why you think it's okay to drive away from a police
Because I
officer
told
as
him
you
that my
stop.
daughter's blood sugar was low and that we had to get here because I'm out of gas and that she needed food immediately. When we left Norman, she was already low.
Interesting fact, the case law that governs American use of force and policing is Graham versus Connor. And interestingly, it was a person with low blood sugar and it occurred at a convenience store. So there's a really interesting connection. You should look up that case because you can learn a lot about the police use of force. Graham versus Connor.
For
So
the
bottom
ambulance.
line is, you're being held accountable for the laws that you invoke. This is all based on your conduct, not the officers. He's doing what he's supposed to do.
He
You're
didn't.
not.
He told, I wasn't speeding. I had 4 cars going the same.
Well, that's what court's for. That's not, you don't take off from a scene if you disagree. You go to
Well, I
court.
take off if my daughter needs blood sugar,
No,
if she
the
needs
ambulance
sugar.
comes to you, the officer
No, that's not how we do it. That's how you do it. I don't
That's how
contract
people that
with.
obey the law.
I don't contract with the ambulance. So you're going to impound my car too? Are you going to impound my car?
You need to.
No, listen.
Sit down.
I just need to ask. Come on, man.
I've mentioned this in videos before. They don't really freak out so much about jail, but when the car gets impounded, that's what they care about most because they have to deal with that civil side and those dollars.
I don't want you
All right,
guys to
what's your
look at
name,
me
ma'am?
anymore.
I'm Lieutenant Wegner, okay? I'm gonna have to do a follow-up investigation on the use of force when they had to pull you out of the car. Okay, you wanna give me a statement about what happened as far as
I
when
just
they
want
took you out
you
of
to
the car?
know that I wasn't deserving of being pulled over.
Okay, I know that, but I want you to just talk to me about what
No, I'm
happened
being
when you got
set
pulled
up.
out of the car. Do you wanna give me a statement about that?
I don't
Okay.
contract with you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. It's all men, all men. And you know we're in the 50th worst state for women to survive. I appreciate it. No. Thanks. I appreciate it. That was going the same speed as everyone else, so he targeted us. That's what he did. I wasn't speeding.
I counted at least 9 officers, and I know for sure at least 2 jurisdictions. Think of the resource drain that this lady caused by her behavior and the trauma that she caused to her child.
This way, man. You do right.
Am I right?
Yeah. There you go.
Like I should. Okay.
There you go. I know it felt odd.
I do. I feel dizzy. Okay. Don't be rough with me, okay?
I'm not being rough with you.
Because he's already broke my arm. You're not going to lift my shirt up for all
Stand
over here.
still.
Don't
I'm not
talk to
lifting
me
your
like
shirt
that.
up. I'm gonna look in your face.
Okay? You're not going to treat me like that. Okay?
Stop. Just listen. All you have to do is stand here and face the car
You're not
while I
going to
pat
be
you
rough
down.
with me.
If you're not going to cooperate, then I'm going to have to.
You're not going to strip me out here in front of other people.
You're right. I'm not.
Yeah, you're not. Lady, I don't traffic drugs like you guys do. You're the
no
drug
idea who you
trafficker.
Quit turning around towards the officers, okay?
Get in the car, please.
Because you're going to taser me if I don't.
No. I'm gonna please ask you to get in the car.
I don't want to get in the car. I don't want to go. I don't want to get in the car. I don't want to contract this way. I don't want to.
have to get in the car.
Why? No, I don't. I don't deserve to go to jail. That man
Please get in the
was
car. Please get in
laughing
the car.
at me.
Please get in the car.
Put your feet in.
I don't want to go to jail.
Please get in the car.
Sir, I am not. I don't deserve to go to jail. I was taking care of my daughter.
Put your feet in the car. Let's go.
It's armed kidnapping. This is armed kidnapping.
You must have. Step out. Is that your backpack? Okay, is that all your stuff? Okay. Grab your bag. We'll hang out one of the police cars. We got to do an impound for your mom's vehicle. Okay. Your dad's on his way. He'll be here probably within 15 minutes. Okay. You want to hang out right here in that grass, wherever you want to hang out. If you want to hang out inside the store, that's fine too. Oh, okay.
Some people see the girl's behavior or the teenager's attitude and may say that she's being a bad kid. I don't think that that's the case. I think that she just went through a traumatic experience and she's just frustrated with the whole thing. It has got to be horrific to watch your mom go through that by her own doing.
You have no idea the prayers that go up for people that are just running a bank. You're running a bank. That's what you're doing. This is a bank, and this man pulled me over at 63 miles an hour when I had the same cars going around me. And he just wanted to pick on a woman today. That's what I felt like. So I tell him that I needed to move on, and he starts laughing at me. And he wears the title supervisor. I'm gonna bill you. And what that means is I'm gonna put it in an affidavit, and then I'm gonna max it. It's called Maxim. And I'm gonna build a whole case, and it's gonna have your two's name on it. And then I'm coming after your frickin' personal property, and I will put liens on your house. Your wife's house, your kid's house, and I will.
Now, this sounds like a bunch of gibberish, but sovereigns do file lawsuits, a lot of lawsuits. I mean, you can see some of them that are public record. They do that.
Okay, we're gonna turn around and you're gonna go inside.
I don't want to go in here.
Okay, we're gonna have to go inside.
I don't want to go in here. I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. Your arm's kidnapping me. Yes, this is kidnapping. I didn't do anything to go in here. People die in here, man. In here.
And that's how it always ends. It's really interesting how many cases I've seen or actually been on and seen the person mentioned having a nervous breakdown. How many of them have anxiety about actually going to jail? And this is where it always ends up. We hear the officers mention the fleeing, the eluding, and the initial speeding charges that she's gonna have to deal with. Car getting towed, her child going through this traumatic experience. That's why I make these videos. So I hope that someone can watch this and know that this does not work, ever. And if you know someone that's going down that rabbit hole of this sovereign nonsense, share this video with them. Like, subscribe, and click on the video that's on your screen so that you can learn some more about some of the other things in policing. Not just sovereign stuff, but there's all kinds of stuff on this channel that you can learn about the deep dives into policing.